Hello friends, I am your friend teaching you, and today we are going to solve that question on nodal analysis. And this is very the basic question on nodal analysis, and today we are going to solve that question. So let's begin. First of all, solution. We will again make that diagram with the direction of current sources, and this is the diagram. We have taken three variables: I1, I2, I3, and I4, and two nodes V1 and V2, and one reference node, and at reference part v is equal to 0. You can see it. I there is the I4 crossing through the 12 ampere current source, and the same current will pass, the current that will enter from 12 ampere, and the same current will come out from that ampere, and this is the reference node. This is v naught is equal to 0. Okay, now at node 1, we will see that I1 I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. That's the Kirchhoff's current law. Now we will convert into the voltage form. I1 is equal to here 3. You can see it in the diagram. And I2 is equal to V1 minus V2, and the resistance is 6, plus here the I3 is equal to V1 minus 0. 0 is the reference node. You can see it, V0 is equal to 0 volt, and 2 upon 2, because the resistance is 2 ohm between reference and V1. Here the after solving, 4V1 minus V2 is equal to 80. Now we'll see on the second node. Second node second node, you can see it. You can pause the video and watch the diagram carefully. Here I2 is equal to I4 plus I4, V1 minus V2. Sorry. Here I4 is taken by mistake. We will rectify it. V1 minus V2 upon 6, and I4 V2 minus 0 upon 12. And here we have to rectify I4. We have to cancel it, and I5. I2 is equal to I4 plus I5. Okay, and I5 is equal to V1 minus V2 minus 0 upon 7. You after solving it further, we can simplify that equation, and we will get the relationship between V1, V2 and V3, and we will cancel it. Here you can see that V2 minus 0 upon 12, that is already given, that is 12 ampere. V1 minus V2 upon 6, you can write it again. V1 minus V2 is equal to 6, V2 upon 7 plus V2, that is 12 ampere. I have told about this in earlier. You can watch it. V2 upon 7 plus 12 ampere, and 7V1 minus 13V2 is equal to 504. That is the second equation after simplifying. Okay, now we will solve it by any method. You can use the Kramer's rules or elimination method. We will use it elimination method here. Okay, you will write all the equations simultaneously. You can I have moved the video further for saving your time, and you can see it. 7v1 minus 13v2 is equal to 504, and I have fold the equation by elimination method, and you will get v1, v2 and v3. You can watch the video carefully, and we will at node 1 you can see it both, and node 2 you can see it both Kirchhoff law and applied, and we will convert that equation into voltage form. Okay, that is the answer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and we will solve further questions on this. Okay.